Good morning, y'all. It is August 21st, 2026, and we are going over today's price action because I decided not to trade today. We have this new account, are down about 700, 720, and I just want to go over price action today. This is all in hindsight because I took no trades today and I wasn't even on the market, so take it for what it is. I just want to do a little review today. Okay, let's just get into it. So we have this bullish value gap right here. Realistically, I'm not marking it out like that. I'm probably going to throw on the octet levels because it is a higher time frame PD array that we do want to see be used. And we are in the sell model right now. We could come up to this high. So we opened here on octant level of this fair value gap after touching consequent encroachment, meaning we should be bullish, correct? We are showing signs of bullishness because we did not get down and close below consequent encroachment or even this octant level. Price opens, and I'm guessing opens, rallies higher, or comes lower than rallies higher. We'll get into that in a second. But realistically, you want to see if price is either going to go above this high or below this low. Because in reality, it's probably going to do one or the other. Today we had an intraday trading day, so there's that. One second. Um, so yesterday price came below these lows here. Takes out the intraday lows. And then that was basically at consequent encroachment. And then these are previous London lows as well. Good, so 1 hour, run lower. So at 10 p.m. on Thursday, we made a market structure shift, correct? And then at 12 a.m. on Friday, we made a retracement back into this bullish price leg and then went higher. We ran higher all the way till about 8 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. We consolidated between 7 to 9. And then we ended up dumping off market open because we had this, came all the way up, took out these highs, failed to take out these highs. I feel like if we would have potentially taken out these highs at 7 or 8, we would have seen a retracement to then go higher. But just because we failed to meet this high here, we just reversed. We couldn't even get into this fair value gap either. So there's not a whole lot in here on the 1 hour. Let's hop on to the 30-minute. Here we go. So on the 30-minute, we have price goes above these highs, closes above this fair value gap, and then chop outside of it for just a bit, and then run lower. And this is the daily fair value gap, by the way, that we're looking at. Let's tap the top of it, and we start running lower. Get below it here, come back up, run back lower, taps it, runs lower, reverses. And then let's hop into the 15-minute now. Because we're still looking at these. We're looking right before market's opens right here. Alright. So we gotta make sure, we gotta figure out what we're looking at right now. So what happened from 7 to 9? We realistically just consolidated. We went up a little bit and then we came down a little bit, went up a little bit, or failed to go up again. So we could say this is consolidation. At least I'd like to say so. Alright. So honestly for this, let's just do quadrant levels. Cool. Okay. So we have the 7 to 9 high, the low to high quadrant levels. And let's see how price uses them on a smaller time frame. Get a market structure shift at 9:15, so we should expect some type of retracement before we head lower, but it looks like we did not get that today. So let's see. We can see there's no entry in this fair value gap, or this one is either. So let me see here in a second. We'll go to the 5-minute. There we go. Well, the 5-minute looks a little nicer. Right before market open, we come back up into this inversion fair value gap on the 5-minute. Market structure shift here at this low. Here. Rallies back up higher into this inversion fair value gap. Let's watch lines just for shits and giggles. I wonder if the octane levels are there. Here, yeah, octane levels look pretty nice. Oh wait, I didn't look at this one back here. Yeah, that one looks pretty nice. The one in the back right, the later, this one all the way over here. It's 0.25 and goes lower. So we came up higher at 9:25 after market structure shifting, right after market structure shifting. And then we rally higher, come up into these fair value gaps. We do inverse this one, but we can't even get a body close inside this one, at least in the 5-minute. So let's mark out this one real quick. Actually, while we're on the 5-minute, I might as well do this as well. Just want to show these indicators. So right now, we are talking about this London dealing range. New York opens right at this green range. So we come down, leave London highs. These relative highs have been left. I feel like if we wanted to take them, we would have taken them in the 7 to 9 macro, correct? Or the 7 to 9 price range, dealing range, whatever you want to call it. Price runs lower, it's higher. 9:30. We should not expect this high to get taken out. Goes higher after the market structure shifting, then comes lower, takes out London lows. Shoot, James here. It's so bad. Look, where? Oh, water? Yeah. Yeah, no. In a wash though. Yes. In your shower? It was my shower. Not today. Not today. Oh. I didn't. I thought you were cleaning. I thought about it. I'm literally making a video right now. I was like, oh shit, James here. Um, price it goes lower into London lows, takes out London lows, takes out Asian lows down here, correct? So let's just go into the 1 minute real quick. Just throw it. Forget about the 3-minute. Do the 3-minute. Let's do the 3-minute. 3-minute comes up into 4, 5 for rally gaps. Goes in between them. Again, taps this inverse, and then runs lower. Fails to even get to or close into this fair value gap. And then on the 1-minute, higher, take all these highs, and then manipulate lower. Running sell side. And then you could take shorts in the 950 macro if you want to. It's pretty ugly. You come up into this double fair value gap, or this fair value gap, and then we run lower. That's about it. And we take out previous day lows right here. And then run higher, retrace, run higher, 950 macro, enter in this fair value gap, run higher, taking out all buy side at these relative equal highs here and here. You can let it runner if you want. I'm not going to, but since my brother's here, I have to go. Um, I'll get to another video potentially Monday. We'll see what happens. If not, I'll see you when I see you. I hope you guys had a great weekend or had a great trading week. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday, God willing. Y'all have a good one. But until then, deuces, y'all.